Did you know the Roman emperor who launched history's worst attack on Christians ended up quitting his job to grow vegetables? In 303 CE, Emperor Diocletian started what we call the Great Persecution. He ordered soldiers to burn Christian books, destroy their churches, and kill believers across the entire Roman Empire. It was the most brutal campaign against Christianity ever. But just 2 years later, something incredible happened. Diocletian became the only Roman emperor to ever quit voluntarily. He walked away from being the most powerful man on earth to retire to his massive palace in what's now Croatia. And what did this former emperor do with his time? He grew cabbages and vegetables. When later emperors begged him to come back during civil wars, Diocletian reportedly said they should come see his beautiful cabbages, and they'd understand why he preferred gardening to ruling. His retirement villa covered 10 acres with elaborate gardens. While Christians were still being martyred because of his persecution laws, Diocletian spent his days peacefully farming. The man who ordered their deaths was now just a gardener,